Good morning, Wall Street winners. If you bought the dip on Broadcom a few days ago, you are going to be rewarded today based on what we're seeing in the pre-market. This stock took a massive hit, down $42 on Monday, and it's slowly starting to come back. It was up and down yesterday. It touched up around 210, it then fell down to 204. It was a great trading day yesterday because there was a ton of activity in this. Unfortunately, you can't really see it here in the 5-day chart, but ton of volatility. You can see this stock was almost a $250 stock on prior to Monday, let's call it last Friday. We have the news about DeepSeek. Everything takes a dive and plummets. This thing is down into the 197 range, closed yesterday at 206.35. But in the pre-market today, it is making a comeback and it is now up at 217. So I believe this has still got a lot of opportunity to run. But let's see what happens at the open because yesterday things spiked up about $5 to $10. So this might be the tipping point up here at 218, maybe 220. If we take a look here to, yeah, 218.20, maybe our high spot for this, but it could go higher at the open. Doesn't mean it's going to stay there. It could pull back. So take your profits if you start to see this turn. In conjunction with the stock, be watching the NASDAQ index. If the NASDAQ index is continuing to increase, as is Broadcom, then you may be in a safe place. You can also look to maintain your profits at putting in a stop loss. So if you bought this at 206 yesterday prior to the close, it's up $10. You could just sell at the open if you want it, take your $10, $11 profit wherever it opens. I wouldn't sell right away. I would watch what happens at the open and see how it's moving. And if you start to see it start trending down, there's an opportunity to sell. If it continues to go up, put a stop loss in at 215, 216, wherever it is that you want to make sure you get your profits out. And that way, if it does come back below that, it'll trigger. And if it doesn't, you'll continue to ride it up. The other way to play this, if you own it today, is to sell a portion of your holdings. So sell 25%, 50%, whatever percentage you feel comfortable with, take profits in that percentage, and then let the other percentage stay in play and watch that as the stock continues to move. Lots of opportunity in Broadcom today. Good luck in your trades. And if you're liking these videos, please hit the like and